Morning, everyone. I'm back off a holiday today. It was nice to get away from everything for a week or so. Went down to a wedding for one of my relatives. Played a few golf there at a golf country club. It was very nice. So I'm back refreshed. Back to do another video to update. Go across all the pairs that I cover. See where everything's at. If you go to the Australian dollar against the American dollar, I was looking for price to come back up to this zone that was broken in the moving average, so we could sell down to this demand zone, but it didn't quite make it. And obviously, as you can see, price fell straight into the demand zone. That would have been my place to buy, as I showed on the weekly time frame. So I did miss that as well, obviously, because I've been away. So my buy would have been that doji there. So if you have a look, that would have been my signal to buy. I'd have placed a low stop loss under the low to go back up to this zone, hopefully. If you caught that, I mean, that's the usual setup that I post out, so if you caught that, well done. If not, we might even see another push back into the demand zone if the moving average provides enough resistance. So keep your eye out for that one. That's what I'll be looking for this pair. EURAUD. I've had a lot of good trades on this pair recently. Yeah, I've had a lot of good buys, a lot of pips coming out of this pair. So let's have a look on the bigger picture, see where things are heading. Yeah, I'd still say we're looking to touch this supply zone, so I would like to sell it from there. I'd like to get in here. So let's have a look on the daily, see where that is. Okay, so that would be my nice long-term sell for EURAUD. Obviously, if we break above this zone here, you could probably get another buy. Same as before, ladder system. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Still in the bullish trend, still trading above the moving average. So it's a next logical buy. You could even buy from around this zone here. It looks like we're getting the pullback now. So if price continues to hold here, you could buy from this zone here. Yeah, it's been very easy. It's been a very easy pair to trade, this one, recently. A lot of nice buys. So yeah, buying up to that supply zone, then back down. That's for me. The euro pound. This one has been a weird pair. We're now trading above the moving average. Let's look at the weekly. Yeah, it's just a lot of sideways action. Big channel. Yeah, bit of a weird pair, this one. There's a lot of sideways action's been going on for a long time now. Obviously, the big buys and sells are from the bottom and top of this range here. So that's what I'd like to do. On the daily, I was waiting for price to come down to this demand zone so we could buy back up to the top of the range. But it didn't quite come. Kind of tricked us on this one. It did a little fake breakout and then it went back bullish. So I would just mark these supply zones out and sell, like this number 3 here, possibly back down to the demand zone. But they're fairly easy trades to take these. Just buy and sell at the top of mark these ranges out and buy and sell at the supply and demand. Fairly easy trades to take. That's if you want to do a lot of day trading. GJ I actually bought. I bought here just before I went on holiday. I think it was 149. Yeah, me stop loss. Currently in currently in 170 pips profit on this pair. Wow, I was on the 100 yesterday. Again, if we look at the overall picture for GJ, I think we're going back up. Still in this big bullish channel. If we go back over time, we're very low in the average price for the pound against the Japanese yen. The last few years has been going sideways. Obviously, Corona. We had the Corona crash. We've had all kinds of going on. Brexit, which has made the pound go very weak. But I think we're heading our way back up. Surely up to this 163 region, possibly even 170s. So I'm always looking for the buy on this pair at the moment, which obviously I'm still in. But I want it to break above this downtrend in this channel for a possible further move upwards. So I'm just going to continue to keep holding this now. I'll see what price does against this moving average before I move my stop loss. If you could manage to break above again, I'll move my stop loss possibly to this candle here, this 50% candle, which I usually use to accumulate orders, so I'll move it above that one. Gold. Currently in a trade on gold. I've been doing separate videos, posting to me social media accounts. If you wanted to check them out, check the link and take a look at them. But we bought from this opening candle here after the big rejection, and then the doji. It's a clear sign to buy. Currently we are $852 pips in profit, so it's going well, that trade. Trading back above this trend line, back above the moving average, which is more important as well. So looking for more continued further up movement. As soon as we break these highs, like I said in the last video, it's looking good for a nice strong bull. So keep holding for that one. Hopefully people followed me on that one and you managed to catch some pips. I'll update again next week sometime. Yeah, but for now, keep holding and have a good trading week, everyone.